Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer USDT from Crypto.com to Tangem Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to securely move your USDT for better control or storage, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, I'll break it down simply and clearly. First things first, make sure you have your Crypto.com account set up with USDT in it, and your Tangem wallet is properly initialized and connected to your device. This process is straightforward, but always double-check details to avoid any mishaps. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app on your phone or log in via their website. Navigate to your wallet section and select USDT from your available assets. You'll see an option to withdraw or transfer. Click that. Now, for Step 2. On your Tangem wallet, go to the Receive section to generate a USDT address. This is crucial. Copy this address carefully, as any typo could send your funds into the void. Paste this address into the withdrawal form on Crypto.com. Moving on to Step 3. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Remember to check for any network fees. For USDT, it's usually on the Tron or Ethereum network, so select the right one based on your Tangem setup. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll get a verification prompt. Double-check the address one last time before approving. Step 4. Sit back and wait for the transaction to process. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head over to your Tangem wallet app to confirm the USDT has arrived. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your funds. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication and never share your wallet details. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. See you next time.